Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to change your Google account phone number. So let's do it. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your settings on your phone. So simply click on settings on your phone. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and navigate to Google right here. So click on Google, just like so. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on manage your Google account, just like so. Next thing you need to do is to swipe this way, and then you have to locate security, just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to recovery phone number. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on continue right here. Then enter your passkey or password. Then you'll be taken to your phone number right here. What you need to do is to simply click on this pencil icon and then enter your new number. With that, Google is going to send you an OTP to confirm changing of the phone number. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply change your Google account phone number without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.